Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Umbali Skhosana, who is famously known for the saying yokuthi sanibona guys asiphekeleni umyeni wami, is currently trending for all the wrong reasons. So Ugal recently got braces done, so that she can promote this doctor who is with her in this picture. So they did her braces. I'm not sure if it was 100% free or maybe 50% or but they did this so that she can promote for them. So now people are saying doctor. They are suspecting that these two are dating. They are saying le is just so personal, guys. There is no way these two are not dating. And guys, I don't know why people are all up in her business. Even if they are dating, I don't see anything wrong. Girl, she deserves to be loved. She deserves to cook for someone else, Kesan. But people are just saying, no, this hack is too personal. And then there were also other people in the comment section saying, no man, this doctor is playing for the other team, not the team Leyetu. This doctor is playing for the other team, so maybe he was just being kind, thinking girl. But people are just like, of corner into off. But I don't see anything wrong with someone being kind and hugging you, But yes guys, this is what I have for you today. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think these two are dating? And if they are dating, I'm really happy for her. She needs to move on. Angeke phela hlala single forever mntana abantu. Hayibo, mele nje move on,